Oh, that's gonna be like HD sound for when you edit. Hey guys, what's poppin'? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Reese. Nice to meet you. You can find me here every Tuesday, bothering you, putting out crazy videos of me trying on clothes or hair or skincare. Or you can find me here on Instagram every day doing crazy things on stories. So today, I'm going to do a hair tutorial. We're going to get into my everyday hair routine. I get this question a ton on my Instagram, so I thought I'd put a video together. This is my hair fresh out of the shower, blow dried. I didn't put product in it today. Sometimes I put mousse in it so that I can get a little bit of texture and volume underneath, but I blow dried my hair upside down so it has a little bit of volume. It is pin straight. I kind of OD'd on the conditioner because we were shooting something else for Instagram and I needed to show conditioner, so my hair is extra soft, so I'm hoping it takes all the curls. So let's start. So I basically part it in two and start with the bottom piece. Put half up. Normally there's scrunchie option, and because my hair is so clean and so fine, like it's soft and really doesn't do it much, I use a texturizing spray. So I've tried the wave spray, but I think it sucks. It doesn't do anything for my hair. It smells good though. So I use this L'Oreal Stylista Beach Waves texturing mist. That's a mouthful. But it makes your hair gritty, kind of feels dirty, and which sucks because you wash your hair to make it gritty. But I find that it takes much better, or it works much better for when I'm trying to put curls into it. My sections are like this big. So in this part of my hair here, I'd probably break it up into 4 or 5 sections. So we'll start with this one. So what I do is I kind of twist it all the way through my hair, or twist my hair around the curling iron like that. And I always leave a little bit at the end because I like the ends to be kind of straighter. And ta-da, one. So we do the same thing for all the pieces. So after I get one side curled, I hairspray it. So this is a Pantene Pro Style Series hairspray, and then I got the maximum hold. I normally just get whatever hairspray is on sale because I use hairspray every day, and a lot of it, because I don't like my straight hair very much. So yeah, a generous amount of hairspray here. I think that curl needs to be fixed. Girl, that is not cute. Now moving on to the side. So I texture sprayed it a little bit before, but let's add a little more. Now that I'm done the bottom and I've sprayed it, I am going to do my left side. Put this up into a little bun. My hair is really, really, really fine, so I do a lot of teasing. Lots of teasing happens for volume. It's like sea salt. You really feel like you got out the beach. But I see how it could scrunch. If people had like naturally wavy hair, it would probably work really well. For me, my shit show, it's not gonna do that. It's just gonna do this, where it looks kind of stupid. I can feel it. It's like, gets on your hands, it's super gritty and gross, but it makes your hair nice looking. The things we do for beauty. And this will last 5 to 7 days. I will say that since we've moved to, or back to Ontario, the humidity does not let my hair be great. In Calgary, because it was so dry shampoo, I could do that for every day for 7 days and my hair would get better and better. Here, dry shampoo kind of shields it for a couple hours and I look like a grease bucket. This looks like bad prom hair until you brush it out, I promise. Last one. Okay, this doesn't take that long. I really don't know how much time has gone by, but it's not taking that long considering I have a full head of hair. an aggressive head of hair. Okay, last side. Back in with the beachy, gritty spray. Getting this shit everywhere. So I can clip this back, and I'm going to, for safe measure. Okay. Spray. Ah. Normally, I would leave my hair like this and then do my makeup, but since I'm not gonna do my makeup for this video, we're just gonna brush it out and hope for the best. So see, it has like the perfect bumps in 3. 1, 2, 3. The perfect bumps in your hair. So after this, I normally tease for volume. Okay, so I will take parts like I did, parted it here, put hairspray, and then my trusty, what would I do without this guy? Tease brush. I'll tease it all the way down. So now you can see compared to the sides, this is flatter, you got a little more volume here. And then I will tease the bottoms of this because I kind of want it to have more end volume. Oh yes. There we go. Okay, now same thing for this side. And I do it like a triangle. So I don't go like straight back. I don't go straight back. I'll do it out like this. You can tell. So spray, tease, and tease these bottom guys. Same with the back. For volume's sake. After I'm done my hair, if I'm heading out right away, then I will use this last few steps. So dry shampoo, not only used for later days, but for the first day too, just to give it a little bit of volume. So I'll spray that underneath. And run my hands through a little volume, and then because I have like so much baby hair, I will go in with an oil. So today I'm going to use this L'Oreal Extraordinary oil, and I'll add a couple pumps, just a little bit, and work it through the top to get flyaways that are also a result of my back combing. And it also helps with shine. Okay, one last step. And upside down, you guys won't be able to see this, maybe. That's cute. Okay. Okay, I like that. Okay, it kind of takes away from my top volume though. What do you think? Okay, maybe less ear. A little bit of ear. Like I said, this is my kind of everyday hair. I do this when my hair is clean, and then as the days go by, I add more hairspray, tease it more, and like as you sleep on it, it'll fall out, of course. And more dry shampoo, and it'll get more loose and loose. So by the day where it's like a grease bucket and no dry shampoo will help it, I wash and do this again. So for me in Toronto, it lasts, I'm gonna say 4 days. 5 days I'm really pushing it, and on day 5 you will likely see me in a bun, but like a slick back bun or like slick back ponytail, because it's still like curly at the bottom, but up top it's pretty flat and greasy. So yeah, but if you are in a drier space, this will last until day 7. I have done it before, I loved it, and it looks amazing. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed my tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and hop in the comments and let me know what other kind of hairstyles you'd like for me. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. See you next Tuesday for another video. What am I gonna call this? Everyday hair waves, curls, not beachy, but using beach spray. Okay, one side is going really well, and the other side, not so much. Why are you forsaken? Look at this. What the fuck?
Take a break and come back and do it?
No, I have other shit to do that needs my hair done. I want food.